Connect is a cute, cuddly plush toy that can connect families or friends no matter where you are in the world. Our system is a support tool for people they live apart. So this is a video calling system which uses a plush toy as a user interface for children. And also we use tablet for senior users. Then, well, we introduced by ourselves. Hello, I'm Mizuki. I'm studying in New Zealand at the moment.
I'm Kikuya. I'm from Toba, Japan.
I'm Fadi. I'm Thai and I'm student in Toba, Japan.
I'm Kenta. We made this Blackstone.
Here's our outline. First, I'm going to talk about our use case. So, what Cuddly Connect can do in a family? I show that with a story. This family live apart from their grandparents, like this. Then, one day, the young couple gave their child a cute special plush toy. So the toy is the Cuddly Connect. Well, first use case. Their child is very young, only 3 years old. So probably every mother with such a child has thought this. I need to do my housework, but I also have to take care of my child. It's really difficult to do both at once, you know. But this family has a Cuddly Connect. While the mother is cleaning, grandma can talk and play with her grandchild like this video. So, child won't feel lonely. Cuddly Connect is great for all 3 generations. Then, second use case. So, few years later, when the child managed to ride a bicycle for the first time, of course, grandparents want to see, but they can't usually, because they live apart. However, this family has a Cuddly Connect. So, Cuddly Connect can be used outdoors, like this video. So, child can take it and play with it anywhere, anytime. So, grandparents can share the child's happiness and new experiences every time. Well, I talked about some use case. By the way, now, child might wonder, how is this panda speaking? How is it moving? Does anyone know?
Actually, I know.
Yes.
Now, I'll explain to you how it works. This is the structure of our system. We use a tablet and Kinect on the video calling system side. We track the user's movement with Kinect and use the tablet to send this data and voice to the cloud application to the plush toy side. Here you can see the inside the plush toy. We use a robot called Roboter to make that toy move. This robot can move each arm in 9 different ways. We connected the robot to a webcam. A speaker and microphone device are also hidden inside the plush toy. This is the back side of the plush toy. We use .NET Gadget to control all of the equipment. Its developing environment is the same with our software, so we use this. It receives signals from the tablet on the video calling system side. Then, the toy moves like in the video on the right side. Then, now, I will show our demonstration. Now, please watch this video. This is showing what this panda sees. And look there. This panda tracks Mizuki's movement. Like this. sense.
Now, I'm going to talk about. We are going to talk about why we developed Cuddly Connect. Recently in Japan, the number of extended families that live together has been decreasing every year. More and more households are made of only the nuclear family. This graph shows the change in household structure in Japan. The pink line, the number of nuclear families has almost doubled. And the white line, the number of single-person households has doubled too. Actually, I come from Thailand, but also that the number of nuclear families is increasing. And how about New Zealand? You are living in New Zealand at the moment, right?
Yes, well, I think three-generation families are uncommon in New Zealand.
Thanks. And how about in your country? It's also uncommon, isn't it? So it's not only limited to Japan. It's a worldwide trend. So the change leads to following kinds of problems. Working parents cannot look after their children all the time, so they need some help. And children get lonely and want to play with someone. And grandparents meet their grandchildren and want to spend some time with them. These problems are the same all over the world. But how to solve this problem? Actually, of course, we recommend you Cuddly Connect. But how about similar products? Now, I'm going to talk about two of them. First one, Skype, is a well-known online calling service. And second one, the pet robot. It can move and make sounds. As we mentioned before, our system can detect the use of movement, which means every time grandparents move, the toy will move like grandparents. And so our Cuddly Connect is a new way of communication and new toy for children. Now, I'll hand it over to Mizuki to show you about customer survey and our future plan.
Yeah. Thank you. While we were developing Cuddly Connect, we did user testing in many places, and every tester said, I want one. And actually, me too, because I live apart from my family and friends, so after this, I'm going to bring one to New Zealand. Anyway, so Cuddly Connect can be used in a lot of situations. For example, by friends who live far away, like me, and by parents during their business trip. So you can use it wherever you want. It's up to you. So please think of your best use case. Then I'm going to talk about our future plan. We are currently improving the system to be able to connect the mobile network via SIM card. Then we are going to cooperate with telephone companies and toy retailer companies. So in the future, you will be able to buy one at your nearest retailers. Then, before buying one, please remember these key points. Cuddly Connect is a support tool for family or friends they live apart. It's a video calling system which is in the plush toy and the tablet. So this is the Cuddly Connect. Our system will support and strengthen your family ties. Cuddly Connect makes better study through better communication. Thank you.